In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Docusign template as a PDF. This is a really handy skill that comes in useful for both personal and professional settings, where sharing documents in a PDF format is often a necessity. So, let's jump right in and explore how you can easily achieve this. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to the Docusign website. Simply type in the URL, or you can search for it in your favorite search engine. This is where the magic happens, as Docusign is a powerful tool that allows you to manage and sign documents electronically with great ease. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to sign in using your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate over to the Templates section. This is where all your saved templates reside, neatly organized for you to access whenever you need them. From the options available in your account dashboard, select Templates. If you've ever created or saved a template, you will find it here. Once you're in the Templates section, you need to decide which template you want to download. Browse through your templates until you find the specific one you're looking for. Once found, click on the template name to open its detailed view. This action will bring up all the information and options related to that template, giving you a closer look at the documents attached to it. On the right side, you will notice a list of documents that are linked to this template. Identify the specific document you'd like to download. This is particularly useful if your template contains multiple documents and you want to download only one or a selection of them. Click on the document's name to proceed. When you click on the document, a pop-up window will appear. This window gives you options to either print the document or save it as a PDF file. It's important to be patient here, as sometimes it can take a few moments for this pop-up to appear, depending on your internet connection. Once the pop-up is visible, click on the Save as PDF option. This will save the file onto your computer in the universally accessible PDF format, which maintains the quality and layout of your document. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily download your Docusign templates as PDFs, keeping them secure, portable, and ready for distribution. This process ensures that you maintain a seamless workflow from creating to sharing your vital documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance with Docusign. Happy